First of all, we wanted to have something in Baltimore to celebrate Eric's 75th birthday, which was actually in April. And it took us this long to find a time when we could get all the principals together. And so we're very, very happy that you have been able to come out this afternoon and share this special time with us. I think everyone in this room has experiences with Eric Gritsch. And of course, I knew him for many, many years, and then I was fortunate enough to become his wife in the twilight of our years. So I tell him, where are you, Eric? It's all business, I guess. I tell him that he is something very, very special to me. And even though he has many idiosyncrasies, that whenever I become angry with him, I would just ask him to start teaching me something. And then that anger is gone, because I could sit at his feet forever, I guess. So we thought not just celebrate the birthday, but also celebrate his work of over 50 years as a seminary professor and as a theologian and pastor. We have tried to gather people from various experiences of his ministry. And I think I have gotten a representative from every place except the Cherokee Indian. I was not able to get anyone from the reservation in Oklahoma to come today. But we do have people from California, we have people from Budapest, Hungary, we have people from Austria, we have lots of people from Baltimore and Pennsylvania, and we are so glad that you could come. We're also very proud that we can be here at Zion in this beautiful hall, which is special to all of us. And you have made it a special day. We ask that the gypsy strings come back to us and play Eric's favorite Hungarian, Austrian, German music. They will have some surprises for him today. We have also asked Old World to come and cater this event because they have just the essence of the kind of food we love here at Zion. And so many people from Zion here, and I'm sure there will be a few more coming in and out. So please, it is a time for us to come together, to talk, to share remembrances of Eric. There will be some people that I have asked to speak specifically, but I would invite anyone who wants to share a story or, say something, just to come up and please do that. Be kind. Try to be kind. Also, I set up on the piano the 10 books that Eric has authored on his own. So we have the King Chair there, and I know that he would be very glad to sign those books if you would like one. So I'm trying to think if I have covered everything. You will see me buzzing around here, and if there's anything else, I may have to come back up if I've forgotten something. Thank you very much, and Eric, thank you for being a very special part of my life. But at the end. At this point, I would like to introduce Pastor Holger Rogoland, the pastor of Zion, And he is going to bring greetings, and then he will also be calling people up here to do some talking throughout the evening. When the band takes a break, and then actually from the hour 7 to 8, we'll have a lot of talk. Thank you very much.